Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add funds to BullX Neo. We're currently on our BullX Neo and we're looking at the Wallets tab. You can get there by clicking on the Wallet Manager right here on the left side panel. So we're currently here and you can see Solana Wallet, Withdraw Wallets, and you can see here Add Funds. We're going to click on Add Funds. Of course, this is showing you the QR code and the alphanumeric code for the Solana address here on BullX Neo. So we're going to make sure that it's Solana, just do that. And then you have add funds to Sol, just to confirm. And here you have the address, we're going to copy it. Or of course you could use your mobile device with your wallet on your mobile phone. And you could scan this and send some funds to your Solana here on BullX. Alternatively, since we have the Phantom Wallet extension on our browser, we're going to click on it. And because we copied this already, we're going to click on send here. Assuming we have some funds, and we're going to select Solana. Of course, we don't have funds there, but if you do, that's exactly what you'll need to do. You're going to paste in the recipient's address, which is what we have right here, and then put in the amount. If you'd like to proceed, you can click on next, making sure that you have a sufficient balance and confirm your transaction. And in a few moments, you will be having Solana in your BullX Neo. So this is how to add funds to BullX Neo.